Hey guys, it's Allie and welcome back to my channel. Today it is time for another Ipsy Bag unboxing, unbagging.
Opening.
It's an opening? Okay, so we're going to do an Ipsy opening. My little guest is here, my little assistant is here. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service where you pay $12 a month, I believe, and you get a bag full of goodies every month. And they do have different options. I believe they have like the Ipsy Bag Plus or something like that. So I do stick to the regular Ipsy Bag. It's been fine for me now. Sometimes I do think about upgrading, but for now, this is what we're working with. Yes, my dear.
I have to go potty.
You do. All right, we're back. We are back. We had a situation. We had to go potty, but we're all good. Do you want me telling them that you went potty? Is that okay? Okay, yeah. We had to go potty, but we're good. Okay, so it's time to open up our bag. Do you want to take the bag out? Ooh, very pretty. Okay.
Yeah, it's yellow and pink.
It's yellow and pink. How
open
pretty.
it?
Yeah. So this is what it says. It says, get that glow. This is for May 2020. All right, let's see what that is. This says Space Case Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow, and it's Intense Star. I'm not going to repeat that because it sounds too close to another word.
Have this.
We have something like that. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's open this eyeshadow up. Let's see what this looks like though first.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay. This is like a little kind of underwhelming. It's like a silver. Okay. It seems fine. We'll play around with that. Okay. Next we have a lip gloss, and this is by Tarte. It is the H2O gloss in the shade Below Deck. This is pretty. Let's see. I'm going to just try to swatch things out really quickly. Ooh. Let's see where we can put it. Ooh, that feels nice. Ooh, I think I like that one. Cute, right? All right, what do we have next? What do we have next? Let's see. This is by Wander Beauty. It's their Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. It's a little itty bitty sample size and it's in light medium. So I'm very excited to try this. It seems a little liquidy, but I do like the Wander Beauty products that I've tried in the past. I feel like the shade is probably going to be a good match. Ooh, I'm very excited about that.
Oh, guys, show Dad this bag.
Ooh, I feel like that's going to be really good. Okay, hold on, honey. Wait, what else do I have? Okay, she's leaving me. Are these, it's okay. These are the other two? Okay. Next we have the Pharma, the First Aid Beauty, Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. This is
We have something in the bag.
Do we?
Yeah, I think.
So this is a...
Oh, there's nothing else.
There's nothing there. So this is Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. It's to soothe and de-stress. And Lord knows I need some de-stressing because all this stress and chaos going on in the world has definitely taken a toll on my skin. It's getting better, but still there. Nice, honey. And last we have Goldfaden MD. It's the wake up call. It's an overnight regenerative treatment, facial treatment. Okay. So it says for the problem being dry and aging skin, and apparently that's my problem now. What's going on? Ugh. Time. It's a beauty and a curse, I'd say. But yeah, I don't know. I don't see like the prices of everything. I think they've sent the price in the past, but I don't see it on this one. Okay, so for this month, just a quick little recap. We got an eyeshadow that I do want to play around with more. I want to give it a fair chance. But so we got an eyeshadow. We got this beautiful lip gloss. We got the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Foundation, the First Aid Beauty Mask, and Goldfaden Overnight Facial Treatment. So yeah, I feel like this was a good bag this month, although I feel like besides the eyeshadow, everything's kind of just like little itty bitty sample sizes. Normally you do get a lot of sample sizes, but you get like a couple of full size products in there, or I don't know. I mean, the lip gloss is a decent size. It's still little. I like that you get sample sizes, but at the same time, I'm kind of like, I don't want all these little things kind of all over the place. And then I get a bunch of them and I forget to use them. And this is going right into like my skincare drawer. And I have a feeling if I don't actually remember and tell myself to use it, it's just going to end up like at the bottom and I'm going to forget about it. And then I'm going to come across it and use it up before it expires. But on the plus side, it is nice to get sample sizes because then you can try it out before actually getting the full size product. I don't know. There's pros and cons. But overall, I am happy about the products I received. To be honest, I feel like I'm most excited about the foundation, the lip gloss, and the de-stress mask. The other two, I'm like, okay, it's fine. But although my skin needs all the help it can get right now. Anyways, that does it. So let me know if you guys get the Ipsy bag as well, because I don't think everyone gets the same product. So I'm curious to see what you guys got. Let me know. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Ring the bell for notifications. And stay happy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.